Insurance products covering life, health, and assets of individuals and families are well understood by consumers. But insurance products that are available for addressing risks facing small business owners and professional service providers have largely remained under the radar. Operating independently has its perks, but the self-employed must be prepared to handle a wide range of risks, which otherwise could have been well hedged under a corporate umbrella. Apart from the risks that are common to individuals as well as businesses, risks from third-party liabilities, professional indemnities, and burglaries can increase the income volatility faced by the self-employed. Home insurance often does not protect business activities, for which fire and burglary insurance may be more suitable. These policies, also including a standardized policy, Bharat Laghu Udyam Suraksha, are designed for factories, workshops, godowns, and service centers. Owing to being operated in either remote locations or locations with high foot traffic of employees, customers, and contacts, a regular home insurance may be insufficient. The basic fire and burglary plans cover theft, fire protection, impact of natural calamities, and other common property risks. Add-ons include strikes and riots, cash loss, jewelry, and malicious damages, which may be included in basic policy or at an additional charge in the premium. The insured can choose a sum insured ranging from 50,000 rupees to 50 crore in such policies covering building, machinery, plant, and stock. The premium for this will primarily be dependent on the PIN code and scope of coverage opted. For instance, a sum insured of 30 rupees lakhs for a PIN code in Chennai would require a premium of 9,250 rupees per year from United India Insurance Company's fire and burglary insurance or 3,500 rupees with Go Digits insurance plan. Policies specific to shop owners and offices are also available, which offer further customization over and above the general policy described above. Shopkeeper's policy, which is suitable for business owners in prime areas, places a higher emphasis on natural or man-made calamities, including fire damage, interior damage, and loss of stock, which are the principal threats for shop owners. The office insurance covers are customized to cover dishonest acts of employees, including misrepresentation for personal gains, misuse of official information, and fraudulent activity. Third-party liability cover in motor insurance provides cover against legal action from others in case of an accident. The same principle of protecting against legal claims arising in course of business and professional and directorship roles is achieved with specific cover. There are general liability covers which protect against financial or legal claims, or specific covers including professional indemnity or directors' and officers' liability. Professional indemnity cover is available for architects, doctors, engineers, CAs, and lawyers, but is largely taken by professionals in medical services. The doctor's indemnity policy available to registered medical practitioners covers against liabilities arising out of errors or omission. While large organizations employing such professionals buy the cover in bulk, freelancing professionals, even outside of the medical profession, should consider the cover if their services can turn libelous with significant human or financial cost. Directors' and officers' liability insurance provides cover against legal expenses when organizational management is sued. A directorship role in an organization can expose an individual to legal proceedings at any time, and hence such cover can be useful from a personal level. Employee insurance is largely limited to workman compensation insurance. The policy covers employers' liability in death, disability, and injury to an employee on a worksite. Post-pandemic, group corona insurance has been made mandatory by the government to return to work in some industries. Group health and life policies for employees can provide low attrition and improve productivity, provide tax exemption, and protect employers against liability in case of workplace accident. Besides, group covers provide better terms on previously existing diseases, maternity covers, and medical underwriting standards, and are priced better than individual policy. There are other smaller, but equally important products to cover appropriate risk. Since the pandemic, there has been an exponential growth in digital payments and online transactions. Cyber insurance with emphasis on online fund transfers is essential for most small businesses, and even more so for entities transacting with overseas banks and institutions. Other more specific policies for small businesses involved in construction and civil engineering include construction, erection, and contractors insurance, which provide cover against destruction of or damage to different construction projects or equipment. The self-employed must properly understand the potential risks and their likely impact and insure themselves with the right product.